Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 6 of my 30-day walking challenge, and today we are going to walk in towards La Cascada. La Cascada is located in Ruaka, and for those who haven't liked, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So we're going to go to the waterfalls. There's a very beautiful waterfall in Ruaka. So let's go and see how it is. Oh wow, this place is so beautiful. There's also zip lining. Yaje? Tunaweza simama hapo? Ni how much zip lining? So saba?
Yeah. Nenda ile side na
Oh, inakurudisha hadi hapa.
Yeah.
That's the best price.
Yeah.
Fanya bei poa.
Hiyo ndio umefanya bei poa.
Walai, kuna activities gani zingine?
Za watu wakubwa mama.
Za watu wakubwa.
Za watu wakubwa hatujaleta ni kwa.
So guys, I don't know, should I try the zip lining? Okay, let me try it. Sawa. Wacha nifanye. Nalipa kwanza ama?
Acha. Kwanza unaenda utakuja kulipa.
Sawa. No worries. So guys, I'm going to try out the zip lining today. I'll test my fears. Let me see if it's going to turn out well. Falls, kupitia falls ni wapi? Hapa. Hapa tu? Wow. Okay.
Jamaa hiyo kubadilisha guu nipate ile side.
Sawa. So guys, you can see how beautiful this place is. The nature is just spectacular. Ni aje?
Poa.
Profiti?
Poa.
Nataka kujaribu hiki kitu. Sijajaribu.
Karibu.
Experience yake itakuwa poa.
Yeah.
Picha mnapiga ama mimi ndio nijipange na picha yangu?
Leo najipanga.
So guys, you see I have to carry this thing towards that place. And then we see how it's going to go. Unaitwa nani? Jonte.
Yeah.
Job iko aje?
Job iko poa. Tunangoja tu watu wako.
Sasa hapo I'm hoping watakuja.
Mazio. Zipline hapa La Cascada.
La Cascada,
Yeah.
La Cascada.
Every weekend.
It's only the weekend ama pia weekdays?
Weekday.
So from Monday to Monday?
Yeah.
Okay. Kuna offers zozote? Any offers?
Offer only for the kids.
Okay. Kids is how much?
Zipline plus the playground over there. 1,000.
So ziplining plus anything that you see here, unlimited.
Unlimited time, yeah.
This is only for the kids. It's only one off. This is unlimited.
Yeah.
So ziplining for the kids plus playing in those play area, it's going to be 1,000 shillings. Trampoline, the bouncing castles, and then there's mini trains. It's an event going on, eh?
Yeah, it's a party over there.
Okay. It's a beautiful garden. So I think once I'm done here, we'll see how I'll get to that point, eh? In the waterfall. Yeah.
Right.
So this is a moment of truth. My life depends on.
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, I'm going to try ziplining for the first time. Amefika huko?
Yeah, no, anafika huko. Yeah,
Hafika.
Yeah. unashika hivi.
Oh my. Sasa kujishikilia na hii.
Si lazima ushike hata. Okay, you sit.
I sit here.
Yeah.
Shike hivi ama hivi?
You can do.
Sawa. Ngoja kidogo. Yeah, so guys, let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Go.
Hey. Oh my. Wow. Unagopesha eh?
So go. Give me a kiss.
Sawa. Wow. I'm done with the first line, so I'm going to the second one. So let's see how it's going to turn up. So from here you have to ascend upwards so that you can go to a higher ground. You ascend to the highest point. You see, you have to climb these stairs. They're very steep. You have to be very careful. So that is where I came from. So I have to take another. I have to go back to the other side. That is the waterfall around there. It's doing the time. Iko tight kabisa?
Yeah, tight.
So you have to come and sit down. Then, oh dear. Iko sawa? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh Lord. Nilikuwa nimeogopa.
Hata ukijana hiyo utabakia sawa.
Wow, that was quite an experience. Oh wow. Yeah, that was really nice. Asante sana. Now it's time to pay. It was such an experience. I almost left my heart. Pay bill?
880.
Okay. 880 100.
461
461
697.
697. That's 700. Koja ni 461 697 700. So I show you the NCBA message. Ni moja imekuja, wengine bado haijafika.
Moja tu iko sawa.
700.
Okay.
Yeah. But in case nikirudi hivi nitakuonyesha. Ndio hii hapa. 700.
Sawa.
Sawa, asante.
Karibu.
Wow. Now we are going towards the waterfall. It was such an good experience. The leap of faith. You know, at times you have to take the leap of faith in life. There's a very beautiful garden in here. This is the waterfall. Here there's a mini bridge. This is the Roca River. It flows all the way down. This flows all the way to two rivers. That's why it's called two rivers. Is that it has divided both sides, so two rivers. Let's go and see the waterfall. Wow, it's amazing. And see when the water is, the droplets are dropping on me. My shoes are a bit slippery, so I wanted to go towards that place, but my shoes are slippery. I might end up falling down. Let's see how beautiful the waterfall is. So beautiful. So for the ones who want to come and witness this beautiful waterfall, you can come to Roca. So it's called La Cascada in Roca. So the waterfall is really beautiful. This is really amazing. The views is just spectacular. Yeah, you know, nowadays I just like the way I end up discovering some places. So if you've been with me through this journey, you'll be able to see the places that I've been able to visit. Most of them are new places that I've discovered. Like this, I didn't know that it really exists here in Roca, but it's really beautiful. So you guys, you can come and see, witness the place. You can see I've done ziplining. I mean, the views was just amazing. Yeah, so I'll continue taking more clips to showcase most of these places. Let me show you another round for this place, because this is also a garden. If you want to do your wedding, if you have birthday parties, you know, you can rent out this place. You can come and have dinner or lunch. They can set up a table wherever you want to sit. Maybe here, there. There's also like a small podium over there. You can see there's an event taking place. As you take your zip lining, if you come with the kids, there's a play area, yeah, and so on and so forth. Yeah, so I think now I'll summarize. I'll end my streaming there, and thank you so much for watching this show. I'm really grateful, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. We grow every day, and yeah, so I'll be looking forward to show you new content every single day. Thank you, and have a blessed day. Bye. See ya.